Have you ever wondered what it would take to achieve financial freedom? A question that has probably crossed your mind, perhaps more so in recent times. Financial freedom, a term often thrown around, but what does it truly mean? In essence, financial freedom is the ability to maintain one's lifestyle without the need for employment or dependence on others. It's not about owning a private jet, a yacht, or a mansion. It's about having the power to make choices without worrying about the financial implications. It's about being able to do what you love when you want, without having your bank account dictate your decisions. Now, in today's world, the importance of financial freedom cannot be overstated. With the ever-rising cost of living and the unpredictable nature of the job market, financial freedom has become more than just a luxury. It's become a necessity. It's the key to a worry-free life. A life where you're not constantly stressed about making ends meet. But alas, there are common misconceptions about financial freedom that need to be debunked. Many believe that financial freedom is a privilege reserved for the ultra-rich, that it requires immense wealth. But that's far from the truth. Financial freedom is not about having an endless amount of money. It's about managing what you have efficiently, about making your money work for you rather than you working for your money. It's about smart investing, about understanding the power of compound interest, about the art of saving. Don't be fooled into thinking that you need to be a millionaire to achieve financial freedom. It's not about the size of your bank account, it's about how you use it. It's about making wise financial decisions, about planning for the future, about being prepared for the unexpected. So, let's shatter the myth. Financial freedom is not an elusive dream, it's an achievable reality. It's not about having an endless amount of money, but about having the freedom to make choices. It's about living life on your own terms. Now, wouldn't that be something? What if there was a hidden, yet simple method that could put you on the path to financial freedom? This is a question many of us have asked ourselves at one point or another. The answer, surprisingly, is not as elusive as you might think. We call it the hidden dark method, a strategy designed to propel you toward financial success. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is this hidden dark method? Well, it's not as ominous as it sounds. This method is not about taking shortcuts or looking for a quick overnight success. Rather, it's a strategic approach to investing and planning that requires time, patience, and a keen understanding of financial markets. The hidden dark method is about making smart investment choices. It's about understanding the value of a dollar today versus its potential value tomorrow. It's about recognizing the power of compound interest and how it can help grow your wealth over time. It's about diversification and not putting all your eggs in one basket. It's about being patient and letting your investments do the hard work for you. But there's more to the hidden dark method than just investing. It's also about strategic planning. It's about setting financial goals and creating a roadmap to achieve them. It's about budgeting, saving, and making sacrifices today for a more financially secure tomorrow. It's about being disciplined and staying the course, even when the markets are volatile. It's important to note that the hidden dark method is not a magic bullet. There's no guarantee of becoming a millionaire overnight. However, it is a tried and tested approach that has helped many people achieve their financial goals. It's a method that requires commitment, discipline, and a willingness to take calculated risks. So if you're ready to take control of your financial future, the hidden dark method could be the key. It's a pathway that leads to personal financial growth and freedom. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is not a sprint but a marathon. And the hidden dark method is here to guide you every step of the way. The hidden dark method is a pathway that leads to personal financial growth and freedom. Are you interested in understanding how the hidden dark method works? First and foremost, this method is not about quick fixes or overnight success. It's a meticulous strategy that involves several key steps. Each step is crucial to the overall success of the method, and skipping any one of them could significantly affect your results. The first step is identifying investment opportunities. This isn't about just choosing any opportunity that comes your way, but rather, it's about carefully selecting the ones that have a high potential for growth. It's about going beyond the surface and diving deep into the details of the opportunity. It's about looking at the market trends, the competition, and the potential for future growth. The second step is understanding market trends. This involves keeping a close eye on the market, staying informed about the latest news and developments, and being able to predict future trends based on current data. This step requires a keen eye for detail and a deep understanding of the market dynamics. The third step is making informed decisions. This is where the rubber meets the road. Based on the information gathered in the first two steps, this is where you decide whether to invest or not. This decision should be based on solid data and careful analysis, not on gut feelings or hunches. But perhaps the most important part of the hidden dark method is the mindset. This method requires patience and discipline. It's not about making quick bucks, but about building a solid financial foundation over time. It's about being patient enough to wait for the right opportunities, disciplined enough to stick to your strategy even when things don't go as planned, and diligent enough to keep learning and improving. The hidden dark method is not a magic formula or a secret code. It's a methodical approach to investing that requires diligence, understanding, patience, and strategic decision-making. It's about taking calculated risks, making informed decisions, and constantly learning and adapting. The hidden dark method requires diligence, patience, and strategic decision-making. But does the hidden dark method really work? This question is often asked, and the answer lies in the success stories of those who have harnessed the power of this method to achieve financial freedom. Let's start with the story of Mary. Mary was a single mother of two struggling to make ends meet. Discovering the hidden dark method, she decided to give it a shot. And guess what? In just over a year, she has managed to pull herself out from the depths of financial despair and is now living comfortably, providing for her children with ease. She has even managed to save up for a down payment on a new house. Mary says, "The hidden dark method has completely transformed my life, and I am forever grateful." Then there's John, a recent college graduate burdened with student loans. He was living paycheck to paycheck until he stumbled upon the hidden dark method. Fast forward to today, John has not only paid off his student loans but also has a healthy savings account. He's even been able to start investing in stocks. John's success is a shining example of how the hidden dark method can turn your financial life around. And we can't forget about Lisa. Lisa was on the brink of bankruptcy when she discovered the hidden dark method. With determination and persistence, she applied the method, and within 6 months, she had not only cleared her debt, but also started building her wealth. Lisa's story is a powerful reminder that it's never too late to change your financial destiny. These are just a few among the numerous success stories of individuals who have used the hidden dark method to achieve financial freedom. Each story is unique, yet they all share a common thread: the transformation in their financial status and the positive impact on their lifestyle. So when you ask, but does the hidden dark method really work? The answer is a resounding yes. The proof is in the pudding, or in this case, in the lives of Mary, John, and Lisa. These stories are a testament to the effectiveness of the hidden dark method. So, are you ready to embark on your journey to financial freedom? Let's not mince words. The path to financial freedom is not paved with gold. It's a rocky road fraught with challenges and obstacles. But fear not, because the hidden dark method is here to illuminate your way. This method is not a magic bullet nor a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a strategic approach to investing designed to help you navigate the complex world of finance. It empowers you to make informed decisions, leverage your resources, and ultimately, build your wealth. As you start implementing the hidden dark method, you may encounter challenges. Market fluctuations, financial risks, and unexpected expenses are all part of the journey. But remember, every challenge is an opportunity in disguise. It's a chance to learn, grow, and hone your investment skills. So, how do you overcome these challenges? First, arm yourself with knowledge. Stay informed about market trends, understand the risks associated with your investments, and continually educate yourself about financial management. Second, maintain a disciplined approach. The hidden dark method is not about making quick bucks, it's about long-term wealth creation. Stick to your investment strategy, even when the market seems volatile. Remember, patience and discipline are the keys to financial success. Lastly, seek support. You don't have to walk this path alone. There are numerous resources available for you. Books, online courses, financial advisors, and investment forums can provide valuable insights and guidance. Remember, financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. It's about gaining control over your finances, living without financial stress, and having the means to pursue your passions and dreams. And the Hidden Dark Method is your guide on this journey. So, take the first step. Embrace the Hidden Dark Method. Embark on this journey to financial freedom. Remember, financial freedom is not a destination, but a journey, and the Hidden Dark Method is your guide on this journey.